So Arhama, like you have done your CAPS examination, you have done your intern pharmacist written examination, intern pharmacist oral examination,
Yes.
and finally you are going to become a pharmacist here in Australia. So how do you feel, Arhama?
I feel great. It's like a dream come true. So I moved to Australia in 2018.
Okay.
And I actually came here as an international student, and I've done my pharmacy from Pakistan.
Okay.
I've done Doctor of Pharmacy degree,
Mhm.
and then I started studying Masters of Public Health. So it was a bit of change of field. The thing is, with oral exam, I was very overconfident. like I know everything, I can do
Okay,
it.
okay, yeah.
But when I gave in October first time, I actually was not able to pass it.
Okay.
So yes, and then I reapplied in Feb, and just like 14 days before, I started panicking. I was like, no, I'm
Okay,
not ready
okay,
yet. So
okay.
I started searching online where are the best academies in Melbourne where you can study in 14 days. And honestly telling you, I'm not even joking. I did ChatGPT, and your one came the top one.
Top one.
Yeah.
Just for curiosity, I just want to know that as you mentioned that you have done the Masters in Public Health,
Yes.
like how much does it cost in case if someone from India or Pakistan, if they want to move to Australia and if they want to do Masters in Public Health,
Yeah.
like how much does it cost to them? And by doing Masters in Public Health, does it guarantee any permanent residency in Australia?
Back in 2018, it was $36,000 per
Australian
year.
per year. Okay,
yes,
okay.
For Deakin University.
Okay.
But that time, public health was not in a permanent residency list. But later on, when COVID happened,
Okay.
that time they included it. Public health is a very vast field.
Exactly. Yeah, yeah.
Work in anywhere in the health sector. Like you can work as a health promotion officer, you can work as a health facility manager, you can work as environmental manager. So there are a lot of options that you can take and you can like use. What I suggest is, like if somebody who wants to come here on a public health and really want to get their permanent residency, they need to start doing their research.
Exactly.
By research, I mean to say they should know, like after doing the public health course, what their
What
goal
they're
is,
into.
where they want to go,
Exactly.
where their
Yeah.
interest lies. You know, at that time, pharmacy was also in the
Also
target
list.
sector. So if I knew this pathway before, I would
then
have
you
taken it
managed.
before.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly.
So I was working on Wednesdays in a pharmacy in Malvern East,
Okay.
whereas rest of the 4 days I was in Paran. So
Okay.
in this way, I get to know like how different pharmacies
setups.
work.
Okay.
The second pharmacy was a compounding pharmacy, so I get to know a little bit about compounding side of stuff as well.
Okay.
And what I've noticed is like when you have to finish your PSA internships as well, your ITP programs,
Programs,
and
all
then
the
you
assignments.
assignments, and then you have to start slowly studying about all your exams as
Exams,
well.
yeah.
So I find it a bit difficult sometimes because after work you are so tired. Like you have to come home, eat, sleep, and then do all this.
What do you recommend to them? What do you suggest to them? Like, is it highly difficult to, this pathway is completely difficult to become
No,
a
it
pharmacist?
is not
or-
difficult. It is not difficult at all. You just have to, again, you have to organize yourself.
Exactly.
I think this is the most easiest pathway.
Uh.
Like all my peers who were with me, they were also from the pharmacy background, but they follow the same pathway,
Same
like
pathway,
public
like
health and then
student,
job,
yeah.
and then decided to go into pharmacy field. But if somebody was there to guide us, I think I would have started studying for CAPS way before during my student time.
Student time itself, yeah.
When I came on my TR, I would have given CAPS on my TR.
Exactly.
If you are a pharmacist, just simply straight away give CAPS, start working on it.
Working on it. Yeah. So that's the straightforward pathway. In
Yeah.
case if they are planning to become a pharmacist, then it's a straightforward pathway. So just clear the exams and get the license and start practicing
Start
as a
working,
pharmacist.
exactly. I started in very last days, and okay, I wasted that much time, but at least let's cover it. So I pretty much cover all the
Cover all the
lectures.
topics, all the
yeah,
lectures.
and I really worked hard for it. But if somebody asked me, I would ask them to do like a full 3 month
Full
course.
3 months course.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.